Hey guys, how's it going? What's today? I know it's Friday, January 10th. But day 2, and there's a winter snowstorm. There was a little bit, at least in my area. Dallas got slammed, but I'm staying at a friend's house, and all is good, all is warm, all is safe. But today I got to get out and see if I can get my prescription filled. So we'll see how that goes. If it warms up and starts clearing out the roads, and but yeah, and get ready for work. So we'll see how it goes. So y'all stay safe and warm, and I'll get back to you.